Welcome to our class. Today I am going to explaining my selfie poem for first class children. What is the lesson name? My selfie. Nowadays we have mobile phones. In your family also your father, mother carrying phones. Do you do anything in your phones? Do you do anything? Yes. What do we do? Yes, we will play video games and watching movies like that. Other than what we will do? Not only playing games, other than what we will do? Yes, we will take photos and selfies. We will take photos and selfies. What is the difference between photo and selfie? Both are same? No, little bit difference. Now I will tell. Photo means other person will take photo with us. Photo means other person will take photo with us. But selfie, we will take our photo ourselves. But selfie, we will take our photo ourselves only. This poem is related to selfie. This poem is also related to selfie. In this poem, a small boy is trying to take a selfie. In this process, the boy is facing so many problems. Let's see which problem he faces. This poem is written by Ken Nesbitt. Who is the author? Ken Nesbitt. Okay, let's read the poem. I tried to take a selfie. I tried to take a selfie when I was all alone. I never should have done it. It broke my mobile phone. Read with me. Read along with me. I tried to take a selfie when I was all alone. I never should have done it. It broke my mobile phone. First of all, we will discuss about rhyming words. See here, two rhyming words is there. First one is alone. Alone. Second one is phone. These are both are rhyming words. Alone, phone. Selfie means a photograph that one has taken oneself. A photograph that one has taken oneself. Okay. I tried to take a selfie. This boy is tried to take a selfie when I was all alone. In that time, you don't have parents. They went outside. I never should have done it. It is very difficult. In that time, whenever he take photo, it broke my mobile phone. In that time, he broke his mobile phone. I say, read along with me. I tried to take a selfie when I was all alone. I never should have done it. It broke my mobile phone. In this poem, two rhyming words. What are they? Alone, phone. Is it clear? Second poem. I guess I am not so pretty. Read along with me. I guess I am not so pretty. Who? The child. I thought that I was cuter. I snapped one with my laptop. I snapped one with my laptop and busted the computer. In this poem also two rhyming words is there. First one is cuter and second one is computer. Cuter and computer. Pretty mean attractive or beautiful. Pretty mean attractive or beautiful. Cuter mean sweet or lovely. Cuter mean sweet or lovely. And snapped meaning is took a photograph. Okay. In this time, what the boy is thinking? I guess I am not so pretty. He think he is not so pretty. Pretty mean beautiful. But the boy we will say handsome. He think that he is not so pretty. I thought that was cuter little. I am not pretty, but little bit I was cuter. I snapped one with my laptop. He snapped one photograph with his laptop. Laptop means it is little bit bigger than mobile phone. I snapped one with my laptop. Finally, he take one photo with laptop and busted the computer. Next, he tried to take selfie with the computer, but the computer was busted. Busted means broken. Finally, the computer also broken. Next, I cracked my father's camera. Next, he broke computer. Next, he take his father's camera. It was also broken. I cracked my father's camera. My mother's iPad too. My mother's iPad too. This should not be so difficult. Difficult mean hard. Difficult mean hard. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. This boy is so much trying to take selfie. The whole day he is trying to take all the things. He cracked his father's camera and mother's iPad too. This should be so difficult. He feel very difficult. I don't know what to do. In that time he don't know what he want to do. In this poem also 2 rhyming words. Say what that? To do. To do. At last, I got a selfie. At last, I got a selfie. Perhaps the worst one yet. Perhaps the worst one yet. I posted it online today. It broke the internet. At last, finally, he got selfie with laptop. Perhaps mean possibility. The worst mean poorest quality. Finally, he got a selfie with the poorest quality. I posted it online today. He posted the photo in online. Online mean internet. Internet. It broke the internet. Broke mean not burst. Broke mean it is huge response. For example, when we post a photo in FB, wherever it is, they give comments, likes, like that. But he got huge response from the internet. In this poem also 2 rhyming words. At internet. At internet. Perhaps mean possibility. Worst mean poorest quality. In this poem, how many things he used? How many electronic things he used? First one, mobile phone. Second one, laptop. Third one, computer. And fourth one, camera. And fifth one, mother's iPad. 5 items he used. 5 items he used. What did the poet try to take? What did the poet try to take? Yes, he tried to take to a selfie. Next, what did the poet, when did the poet take a selfie? When he was all alone. When he was all alone. Did the poet success to get a selfie? Say, did the poet success to get a selfie? Yes, he success to get a selfie. Have you understood the lesson? Okay. Tomorrow I will give worksheet for this lesson. Try to read once again. Thank you.